What's up, everyone? I am Joe Shoes, and today I'm here at Dairy Queen because I was in the mood for a little something sweet, and I said I'll stop by and try one of their limited time blizzards because they usually connect. Before we get started, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, get down in the comments, tell me if you're going to Dairy Queen, what blizzard you are getting. What's your favorite blizzard at Dairy Queen? With that being said, let's get going. Today I took a look at the menu. They've got their couple limited time only ones up, and one of them that caught my eye was the Reese's Pieces cookie dough blizzard, and you see that right here. Big pieces of cookie dough right on top, pieces of Reese's Pieces right on top. I can't resist candy and cookie dough mixture. I think that's great, even though I'm not the biggest Reese's Pieces fan. I love Reese's, but I love the peanut butter cups. The pieces are fine, but I'm not E.T.
Good.
And I mean cookie dough. Who doesn't love cookie? If someone doesn't love cookie dough, I think you cannot trust that person, because I think they're up to shenanigans. And they will stab you in the back at a moment's notice. So we've got our typical blizzard ice cream combo here. And I'm gonna tell you, this thing has been absolutely loaded with both cookie dough and Reese's Pieces, both. And that's the key, isn't it? When you're getting one of these items, you're getting it because you want to be able to get that candy, to get that cookie dough in every bite. If you went home and had cookie dough ice cream and wasn't able to get cookie dough in every spoonful, you'd be like, yo, what is this? Like, where is the rest of the cookie dough? Trust me, I am that person. I know what it's like. And this thing has been absolutely loaded with more than I could even hope for. Plus, the combination of the little bit of peanut butter from the pieces with the cookie dough has been nice. It's been pleasant. It's not something I would think to mix on my own. Man, it's a good choice, because I was really feeling like some kind of ice cream, some kind of dessert, and I was out, and I said, yo, the Dairy Queen's right there. Let's go see what we got. You know, when they do that thing at Dairy Queen where they turn it upside down so they show you how cold it is and nothing moves. But man, I live in Florida. So the second you take that from the person handing it out to you, this starts melting. This gets and gets melty and gets drippy. But I'm someone who likes my ice cream a little bit melted, a little bit soft. All in all, this has been an absolute score. And it's because they absolutely filled it up with all of the goodies that I asked to be in here. Plenty of Reese's Pieces, plenty of cookie dough, literally more than I could have ever hoped for. Multiples of each in every spoonful. And that leaves me a very satisfied customer. This hit the spot. It really did. It really did. I was just in the mood for some kind of dessert, something sweet. Thought Dairy Queen was the spot. This just happened to catch my eye, and it came in clutch. So Dairy Queen, awesome job. Thank you very much. I'm going to give this one Reese's Pieces and Cookie Dough Blizzard. 3.5 main man, 3.5 stars. Really good. Packed with all the goodness on the inside. I'm leaving here a very happy boy today. So thank you very much. And thank you to everyone who's watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, get down in the comments, tell me if you've had this blizzard or what your favorite blizzard at Dairy Queen is. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.